Inflation makes me rich. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ehsan and here I talk about finance, cryptocurrency and increase money. In this video I'm gonna talk about gold, crypto and stock, and I want to tell you how I increase my cash and earn more money in this time when we heard negative news, inflation or something like this. But at first you should know it, inflation is good time for makes people rich, because if you search in the internet or about CPI rate in 2022, you understand in 22 August, July, June and May we had inflation or CPI rate between 8 or 9%. And in that time, people understood about inflation in their daily routine. For example, if they bought, for example, this with $1, in second day, people should pay more than $1 for this. And in this time, I should say, if you heard different news about inflation is uncontrolled or something like this, and actually it was one reason for cryptocurrencies market about Bitcoin, we watched a big jump, and actually it's a fake. It's not a fake, but it's not a big jump. If I want to be honest, I should say inflation hasn't on control. The reason is, if you check the CPI rate right now about inflation is between 5% or 5.5 or something like this, but actually in real life it's not true. We have this problem since 7 months ago, and when it comes to about COVID, about war between Ukraine and Russia, and actually it was a big started for, I should say, slump or depression economy right now. And in this time, we know after 6 or 8 months, after a big, for example, problem looks like war or looks like sources or something like this, economy will go for a slump or depression time. And actually in this time, cash and gold and a safe assets looks like gold is the most important from the other assets. And in this time, I think if you said, okay, why Bitcoin pump right now? Actually, if I want to be honest, this pump isn't stable and it's not reality, because people think inflation is uncontrolled and in daily routine everything is good. Okay, I invest in crypto market or a stock, but more about crypto because actually I set up a one portfolio for myself about new trending, about Bitcoin and Ethereum and another things, and actually I get a good gain in this time because I bought in a dip, and this jump, it was actually very helpful for me and I like it, but it's not stable. And for my short term portfolio, I try to sold my assets, my cryptocurrencies, but especially I saved my trend assets in cryptocurrencies, and I think in 2024 or 2025 I can see a big jump of trending I have in my portfolio, and actually it was very hopeful for me, and I'm consulter about assets and increase money about crypto, gold or something like this. And actually my customers is very happy right now, but it's not a big deal right now because in next scenario we can see a different trend about crypto and markets and stuff like this. But instead of crypto market, gold and safe assets looks like home, cash, gold or something like this, it can be a jump. And I think in this year 2023 gold can go for new ATH more than in 2020, and actually it's a good feeling for me. Here I show one strategy for you in 2023 right now, because people think inflation is uncontrolled and they didn't invest on gold or cash, but actually a big institute or government are invest on gold and cash, and I think dollar is king right now. But in 2023 I think BTC can dump again, and the reason is, as I said, inflation, a value of money, gold, and something like this. And actually in 2023 especially, it's good time for set up a portfolio with special $100 for your future 2 years or 5 years. I think it's one of the best time for set up portfolio and get a good result for 5 years or 2 years. It depends on your strategy. For example, in 2 years you should search more about trending in 2023, 2024, and 2025. And for 5 year you can see another things, for example about application security or DeFi, especially about Ethereum and some project it's on Ethereum blockchain and something like this. "2023 is good time for gold and cash, and you can start investing on some cryptocurrencies or markets or stocks. And in 2024 and 2025 it's good time for cryptocurrencies, especially about Bitcoin, because we will see a big halving for Bitcoin, and actually it's very good for investors. And trends in 2024 and 2025, we will watch a big trends about cryptocurrencies, because evolution for money, human, and technology is happening right now, and it started since 2023 about AI, about something like this, and etc. everything. And actually it's good time you can use inflation for your benefit and for your portfolio. And I try to set up the best way to increase my money in this time, but everything depends on your strategy, your opinion, your money, your person you can get of your money. And actually it's hard, but if you have these skills, it's very good point for you. And in 2025 about stocks, I should say in 2023 and 2024, as I said, cryptocurrency can. And why I said in 2025 it's good time for stocks, because since year to 2025 at the beginning, I think we will heard a big news or big trend about new technology, looks like Bitcoin, crypto, and something like this. In 2025, stocks can jump, but everything depends on economy and in that time situation. I tell you with this data, and I think strategy will update in every month, and it's very important. But right now, I think it's a golden time for stocks in 2025 with a big jump. And actually it's my opinion and it's my strategy. If you want to trust me, please before search and after get good decision about it. In this video I talked about inflation, and I talk about how can increase the money in this time and set up a portfolio. About actually I'm professional in cryptocurrencies, but about stocks and market I'm not good enough. And actually I have skills about crypto more than stocks, and about gold, as I said, in 2023, and that's it. Please don't forget subscribe my channel and click on notification and like this video, because I have a big opinion and idea for future about my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and support me for better result. Have a good day or have a good night.